Hi, after watching the video, click the link in the description to join ClickBank University.
If you've been trying to make money online for more than even 2 minutes, then you've probably heard of ClickBank and what a potential goldmine it is for affiliate marketing. ClickBank is the perfect affiliate platform. It's easy to get an account, simple to find products to promote, and no nonsense when it comes to getting your affiliate links. The problem that many beginning and even intermediate marketers face is that they just can't crack the ClickBank code. It's almost like those who know what to do, the insiders, are raking in the cash, hand over fist, while everyone else, the outsiders, struggle to make even a single sale. And it used to be that way for a very long time. Until one day, when something appeared on the scene that changed all that. What was it? The entire ClickBank landscape changed on the day when ClickBank University was born. It is, without a doubt, one of the most popular online marketing courses, and numerous customers have benefited from its content and training. It started out with version 1.0, but since then, the 2.0 version has come out and is not only an improvement on the first release, but it's also bigger and better than 1.0 ever was. Several ClickBank University members have left extremely positive testimonials about the quality and effectiveness of the training, sharing how it bridges the knowledge gap that has always prevented beginners from succeeding with ClickBank. That seems like a lot of hype, doesn't it? Well, follow me to the next video and we'll see if ClickBank University 2.0 lives up to the hype. There's a lot of good things to say about ClickBank University 2.0. One of the strongest points is that it covers both affiliate marketing and product creation, so you're not limited to only one or the other. This is definitely an improvement on the earlier version, which only covered product creation. With the 2.0 version, you also have more flexibility. As a beginner, you will generally find it easier to start off as an affiliate. Then, as your knowledge and experience improves, you'll be able to take on the more extreme challenge of becoming a product vendor. How's the training? The training itself is detailed with notes, videos, and over-the-shoulder instructions. The methods are clearly explained in a step-by-step manner that even the greenest beginner will be able to follow along without much difficulty. The people who created and are behind ClickBank University 2.0, Matt Hewlett, Adam Horwitz, and Justin Atlin, are all accomplished marketers in their own right. They are legitimate marketers who are doing what they teach. This course isn't just about theory, it's about actual things they are doing to make money today. And this is crucial when choosing to spend money on any Make Money Online course. The training is not only simple to follow, but also extreme in its depth. You will learn what you need to know to succeed. Speaking of learning, follow me to the next video for a breakdown of what's included in ClickBank University 2.0. So you might be asking, what exact training is included in ClickBank University 2.0? Well, it's done in two parts: vendor training and affiliate training. The training for becoming a vendor on ClickBank is broken down into 12 weeks and includes the following: how it works, finding your perfect product, creating your avatar, creating your product, creating your perfect upsell, sales copy and conversion maximizing, the easy video sales letter, finalizing your product, getting onto ClickBank, attracting and managing JV relationships, split testing, scaling your success. This part of the training includes a very powerful bonus: selling high-ticket products on webinars. And if that's not enough, you also get the affiliate training. The training for becoming an affiliate on ClickBank is broken down into 8 weeks and includes the following: affiliate marketing on ClickBank, understanding affiliate marketing, finding your passion, the ultimate affiliate funnel, free, always over-deliver, writing the perfect swipe, the email blueprint, scaling and expanding. There's also a bonus that comes with this part of the training: running affiliate promotions. It's obvious to see that you are going to be very busy with this training for quite a while. And even though you get training for being both a vendor and an affiliate, ideally, it's best to choose one method and go all out with it. And between us, most beginners are better off when they start with affiliate marketing. That being said, follow me to the next video for more reasons you should pick up ClickBank University 2.0 today. When you join ClickBank University 2.0 today, you'll be getting much more than just training. ClickBank University 2.0 has an online forum, so you can hang out with your peers, ask questions, and mingle with other fellow marketers. It's an active community that's both supportive and educational. This beats just buying some ebook from an unknown marketer who leaves you to figure it all out by yourself while they take your money and run. ClickBank University 2.0 is also equipped with a very useful toolkit that you'll use over and over again in your business. It's a set of tools and online video training that covers some of the techie stuff that most beginners almost always struggle with. Here are some of the tools you'll find inside ClickBank University 2.0. Camtasia Alternative, a PowerSoft for screen recording. Creating a sales presentation with PowerPoint. Demographic research with Google and Twitter. Design banners, posts, and giveaways with Canva. Enhance your social media activity with Hootsuite. Increasing conversions with Optimonk. Introduction to tools. Outsourcing with Upwork. Recording your sales video with Camtasia. Sending broadcasts and automating with Aweber. Setting up your funnel with CB Builder. Setting up a custom domain with GoDaddy. Split testing with Visual Website Optimizer. Video editing with Camtasia. There are also live Q&A sessions inside of ClickBank University 2.0 for members where more training is provided. If you are unable to attend the sessions live, you can always catch up on these sessions later since they are recorded and uploaded in the members area. The value of these sessions alone more than makes up for the monthly fee. Still not sure if ClickBank University 2.0 is right for you? This will remove all your remaining doubts for sure. ClickBank University 2.0 comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. This is huge. You have 2 months to give ClickBank University 2.0 a test trial. And that's more than enough time to figure out if it's worth the price of admission. Chances are that after joining, you'll stick around for a long time, especially once you see all the value you'll be getting inside the members area. Sound too good to be true? Follow me to the next video for some things you should know before you buy. Time for a ClickBank University 2.0 reality check, okay? No product is perfect for everybody. ClickBank University 2.0 is an online course. And just like any online course, you'll need to study and apply what you are learning. Information is useful, but action is the key when it comes to your success. The problem is that most beginning marketers hesitate to act on the information. You have to figure out how to overcome this mental obstacle to find the success you deserve. ClickBank University 2.0 is not a winning lottery ticket to a life of riches and easy living. You have to do the work in order to succeed. Another thing to consider is that the amount of information in ClickBank University 2.0 can be overwhelming if you are a beginner to marketing. This may make you think that the process is too difficult to learn. Don't let this happen to you. The best way to get around this problem will be to focus on just being an affiliate first. Once you've learned the ropes and are generating affiliate commissions, you'll be more confident to take the leap and become a product vendor, selling your own products on ClickBank. While most people like to pay once and then never again, ClickBank University 2.0 is a recurring fee membership. A beginner who is strapped for cash may find that the monthly fee is a turnoff to them. But don't let that happen to you. Take advantage of the 60-day money-back guarantee, get inside the membership area, get started with the training, and you'll never look back. We're almost there. Follow me to the next video for some last words about ClickBank University 2.0. All things considered, if making money online is your goal, then ClickBank University 2.0 is your solution. This is one of the best online marketing courses available today, and it's the course that all others are measured against when it comes to ClickBank training. The fact that it covers both affiliate marketing and how to be a vendor in the ClickBank marketplace makes this a truly well-rounded training program. With thousands of students and many success stories, this product truly delivers the goods. If you wish to make a decent side income, this course is for you. If you wish to make income that will allow you to quit your day job and have location independence and freedom, ClickBank University 2.0 will help you get there. If you want to be a millionaire, guess what? This course is for you too. ClickBank has made millionaires out of several vendors and affiliates. If you do the work and follow the training closely, success can be yours too. ClickBank University 2.0 is ready to go. Are you? Look for more information about ClickBank University 2.0 in the description below this video or on this page.
Thanks for watching the video. Click the link in the description to join ClickBank University.